just had a customer order come in for a Harley Knucklehead. You know how hard it is to find parts for a Harley Knucklehead? Well, thankfully, Dennis Kirk has over 70,000 parts available for Harleys alone, including the hard-to-find parts. Let's take a look, see what they got. All right, so taking a look into the box, they've got a lot of hard parts to get this thing up and running, starting with the simple check valve spring from S&S Cycle. You'd think this would be easy to find, but it can be pretty hard. We've got a bunch of them in stock. Next up, from V-Twin Manufacturing, a deluxe gasket kit. Another one of those simple maintenance items that can just be really hard to find, and well, we've got them in stock here. And then finally, a little dress-up item in the S&S Cycle Chrome Pushrod Cover Keepers. Simple to install, and all in all, this entire order gets this customer over $89, which gets them free shipping. Better yet, we have everything in stock, so it is ready to ship today. I mean, that's why we're the hard parts king. Check it out now at DennisKirk.com.